ISIL fighters rolled into Mosul on June 9th with guns aloft to the sound of battle cries. These images, transmitted instantly around the world, set off alarm bells in capitals, embassies, and news.
For the ships of Chittim shall come against him.
Jihadist militants are now said to be advancing on Baghdad,
seizing American-supplied vehicles and weapons left behind by the Iraqi troops we trained.
Where did this group come from? Because for so many months, I say we, the U.S., and also we, CNN, were so focused on covering Syria.
And forces shall be mustered by him, and they shall defile the sanctuary fortress. Then they shall take away the daily sacrifices, and place there the abomination of desolation. He shall regard neither the God of his fathers, nor the desire of women, nor regard any god, for he shall exalt himself above them all. But in their place he shall honor a god of fortresses, and a god which his fathers did not know he shall honor with gold and silver, with precious stones and pleasant things.
يذكر أن التكلفة الإجمالية لثوب الكعبة المشرفة تبلغ 20 مليون ريال الأسود، ويبلغ ارتفاع الثوب 14 مترا، ويوجد في الثلث الأعلى منه الحزام الذي يبلغ عرضه 95 سنتيمترا وبطول 47 مترا، والمكون من 16 قطعة محاطة بشكل مربع من الزخارف الإسلامية. وتتكون الكسوة من 5 قطع تغطي كل قطعة وجها من أوجه الكعبة المشرفة، والقطعة الخامسة هي الستارة التي توضع على باب الكعبة، ويتم توصيل هذه القطع مع بعضها البعض.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر.
The man is reportedly 70 years old, and his bride says she's just 15 years old. Young girls being forced to marry old men is an ugly reality in much of the world, but in Saudi Arabia, the issue for women is not just behind closed doors. In addition to the concealing dress, which they must wear by law, women must be accompanied by a male guardian. They can be stopped and forced to show papers proving their relationship to the man that they're with. And women I know there tell me this practice is a little less common than it used to be. But the truth is, you can't leave the country as a woman unless your male guardian is signed off on it. I've seen the forms that they have to provide at the airport, and when I saw it, it sent a chill down my spine. Certainly it's time for change. And how about starting with driving? Saudi Arabia is the only country in the world that still prohibits women from driving a car.
And the hand of God was upon the prophet Ezekiel, and he brought him from Babylon to Jerusalem, and placed him on a high mountain. There he was shown a vision of the future temple that will bring peace and harmony to the world. In the vision, an angel spoke to Ezekiel and said, "Son of man, pay attention to all that I am about to show you, and teach it to the house of Israel." The angel took Ezekiel through the entire temple and measured its chambers and courtyards, its walls and its gates.
Do you not know that you are the temple of God, and that the Spirit of God dwells in you? If anyone defiles the temple of God, God will destroy him, for the temple of God is holy, which temple you are.
The Temple Mount of the future temple will be 36 times larger than that of Solomon's temple, or the second temple.